Dear parents and students, I will be starting a series where basic Kannada alphabets will be taught. I will be following the methodology of the textbook Savi Kannada Grade 1. According to the new syllabus, Grade 1 textbook is split into two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. I will be providing a link for downloading Savi Kannada Grade 1 Part 1. Part 1 covers the alphabets. So a brief about the method that will be used. So as you can see here in the screen, there are 49 alphabets in Kannada. So these alphabets will be taught in 10 lessons. Unlike the traditional method where we keep repeating and repeatedly writing and reading the alphabets multiple times to learn the alphabets, here we will have each lesson covering 5 or sometimes 6 alphabets. So the alphabets are not picked in order as how you can see in the screen. It is picked in a random order where 5 alphabets will be taught, how to pronounce them, how to write them, and then there will be a lot of words using a combination of only those 5 alphabets that you have learnt in that particular lesson. So this will help in giving you a lot of reading and writing practice. So for example, lesson 1 will have 5 alphabets. Then in lesson 2, you will learn new set of 5 alphabets and you will learn combination of words along with the previous lesson, that is lesson 1's 5 alphabets. So actually in lesson 2 you will have words which is a combination of the previous lesson and the current lesson. So you will be actually learning words forming with a combination of 10 alphabets, 5 from lesson 1 and 5 from lesson 2. And this process continues with further lessons. Like in lesson 3, you will have lesson 3's 5 alphabets plus lesson 1 and 2's alphabets also along with the new set of alphabets. So you will start forming words with 15 combination of alphabets. So this process keeps repeating until we reach lesson 10. So this repeated practice helps the students to retain the alphabets in their mind, in the memory. So this is a very effective way, and I have taught many students who have migrated from different parts of India to Bangalore. And the transition was very smooth. The children had no knowledge of Kannada, but they were able to pick up the alphabets very smoothly. There was no difficulty in learning. So this is a tried and tested method, and it has been successful with most of my students. Now also I would want to mention about the practice words. So here the practice words are provided mainly for reading and writing practice. In the video I will also mention the meanings of the words, meanings of the practice words. But please don't spend too much time in trying to learn all the meanings of the words. Then I will also write the alphabets in Hindi. Below the Kannada alphabet, I will write the alphabet in Hindi so that students who have knowledge of Hindi, who have already learned Hindi and trying to learn Kannada, it will be very easy because the pronunciation and the alphabets are very similar in both the languages. Except for 1 or 2 alphabets, the rest of the alphabets are same in Hindi and in Kannada. So again, because I am doing this so that the transition becomes very easy and the children learn the language quicker. Always when it is compared to a language which they already know, it becomes a little more easy for the students also to pick it up. So this is the introductory video. I will provide the link of the book and I will be starting from lesson 1 in my next video. So please go through all the 10 videos, then you will get to learn the complete alphabets, completely all the 49 alphabets of Kannada. So happy learning for the beginners.